Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the graphics card and system so GTA 5 can use raw GPU power. First, update to the latest official driver for your card. This fixes performance bugs and unlocks optimizations. Once done, set Windows Power Plan to high performance and confirm the GPU is selected for GTA 5 in GPU Control Panel. Next, close background apps that steal RAM and set display scaling to 100% to avoid odd resolutions. This primes the system for the next configuration step. You now configure GTA 5 itself to use the GPU efficiently. Open Settings Graphics and pick your monitor's native resolution. Higher resolution uses more RAM but improves clarity. Set texture quality based on RAM, high for 4.6 GB, very high for 8+ GB. Turn MSAA off or use FSAW for less cost. Keep VSync off for lower input lag unless tearing is an issue. Once these changes are applied, test with a short in-game run to observe FPS and RAM usage. Finish by optimizing and troubleshooting so the card stays stable while you play. Use your GPU vendor tool to enable performance mode or mild overclock. Increase clocks by 1 to 5% only and monitor temps. If you hit stutter or crashes, open the overlay FPS and RAM monitor to see if you exceed memory. If so, reduce texture quality or population density. Finally, make sure drivers are clean installed if instability persists, and test different settings until performance matches your target FPS.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.